Good morning everybody, how you going? Today we've got a special little surprise. Now, just give you a bit of a look through it. We've got all this to do. Now this is a room that she's put stuff in. She's emptied the room out for me. There's a room in there. Bathroom. This area here. This one here I'll have to plaster and tape because I had a handyman in here which done a crap job. So as we're walking around here, he's got a couple of rooms ready for me. We've got this room here. Got these beautiful old casements to do. I'll be doing them, and I'll be able to show you how I go about doing these. I've been doing these for a lot of years. I normally charge about $100 each for these ones. Absolutely beautiful. And then we've got some more here, obviously. Peeling a little bit, but not too bad. I've just had a water-based paint on them by the looks, but they're not going to look like that when I finish. And all the walls are enamel. There'll be a satin enamel that's been on there. I've never caulked in all the joins here. All these curtain fittings and stuff like that are coming off. Anything is coming off. Oops, pull that all off. I'm going to put some, it's got beautiful carpet here. Nice new carpet. So we're going to put some black plastic down. So always have a roll of black plastic in your shed for situations like this. So we're putting the black plastic down and putting drop sheets over the top. So I'm going to put my ladders and stuff in, just to protect this beautiful little carpet. Got these doors here. They're all gloss enamel. You see that's the gloss, that's the satin. You can see the difference. And we'll probably be doing these in an oil-based undercoat and 2 coats of water-based enamel. I'm going to try and keep away from the oil-based enamel at the moment. We'll see what happens. We might not be able to do it. I'll see what I'm going to do. I've just chosen the colour. It's a light green. I'm going to go white for the ceilings. So in here is another room. It's all ready for us as well. Nice big room. We won't be picking out anything here. We're just doing the ceilings in a white and bringing them down to the picture rail. Okay, the picture rail will go in. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Normally we can pick that out at another colour in a gloss if we want to, and but it probably won't. This one here is a bit of a worry because we'll do a scratch test on this. You see this? This is what the other paint has done. They've just painted acrylic over the satin enamel. Now, what do you do? I mean, I can't strip the whole room back. The damage is done. Now it's not everywhere. I've just picked one spot there and scratched it. It's not everywhere. I've just informed the owner what it is, what the problem is, and yeah, we'll do the best we can, and hopefully it won't come back. I did give a price to actually caulk gap all these tongue and groove boards, but we're not going to be doing that because the price just got up there a bit too much. But we will be caulking and gapping all these areas here up top, so that'll all have to be done once I plastic up. This hallways here, satin enamel. Roll this with an oil undercoat, and then I'll actually go anywhere I can go. Like I might even do that wall, for example. I'll do this hallways. I'll pick any wall that I can do. This wall here, there. Any wall that I can do that doesn't have anything in front of it. You know, I might like do in behind here, and can't really do anything in the kitchen. I can do this hallway here, but that's water-based paint there, so someone's repainted this. So there's only a few rooms that really need the oil-based undercoat. All this one here is enamel as well, satin enamel, and so that'll all have to be oil-based undercoated. We'll do all these French doors, which are absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Yeah, they need a bit of putty and a bit of love put in them. I'll see what I can do about that. I'll see how much time I have to spend on restoring them. We've got some nice, look at that glass, isn't that glass beautiful? Very nice. We've got some cats out here on the veranda, and we can't get to that. And yeah, that's it. That's my new project, and I better get stuck into it. It's my first day today. I'm giving myself probably, I don't know, I really don't know how long I'm going to give myself on this one. 2 weeks is what I'd like to get it done in. It depends on the owner, obviously. I'll do as much as I can, and so she can move everything back in her rooms, and then we can have the freedom for the other areas there. But okay, thanks for tuning in, and we'll give you a bit of a look through this one as we go about doing it. So catch us later. Bye.